Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my new tutorial. Today I want to show you how to replace the front glass of a Samsung Galaxy S3. So as you can see, this is my Samsung Galaxy S3 and there's a little crack here on the left top corner, and in this video I want to show you how to replace this. So therefore you will need a replacement glass, which you can get off from eBay for about $15 to $20. So those are very cheap and you can easily change it on your own. Also, when you purchase the front glass, make sure that you get some tape with it to tape the glass to the frame of your phone. You could also use some glue, but I won't recommend it. Further, you will also need some tools to get the glass off, and therefore you can use some flathead screwdrivers, case opener tools or a sharp knife. Just make sure that you have 2 or 3 tools, because maybe you will need to raise the glass from different sides. And I can really recommend those case opener tools, which you sometimes get when you purchase the front glass. And they're made out of plastic, and with them you won't kill your display too easily. Then you also need some kind of a glass cleaner or isopropanol to clean the display before you put in the new glass, because otherwise you would have dirt or dust between the display and the glass. And the last thing you will need is a hairdryer or a hot air gun to soften the glue in order to get the old glass off. And now just follow the instructions and good luck at changing your front glass. So first shut down your phone and remove the battery. Now take your hairdryer or a hot air gun and heat up the whole front glass. If you're using a hot air gun, make sure that the maximum temperature is set up to 80 degrees. When the front glass is hot, take a sharp knife or the case opener tool and try to get off the glass, but just be careful. If it is cold and if you need to, just heat it up once again. Also, don't put too much pressure on it from one side. Take a second sharp knife or a second case opener tool and also try it from another side. Now raise up the front glass and carefully remove the capacitive front buttons with a sharp knife. Now carefully remove the old tape. After you've done that, remove glue parts or big dirt particles from the screen. Now when there's nothing left on the screen, take isopropanol or any glass cleaner and clean off the screen. Also make sure that all the old tape is removed from the frame. Now get the foil off the tape and stick the tape on your frame. Just be sure to place it exactly on your frame. Now get some tape and place the tape on the backside of the foil of the capacitive buttons, and then place the buttons on the frame of the phone. Make sure that they are seated well. Okay, so now it's time to get off the protection foil of the tape. After you've done that, make sure that the speaker, the LED and the front camera and the sensors are not covered by the tape. Then you just take the front glass and then you press it on the tape. Make sure that it is seated well and then force it with a little bit pressure into the frame. Now once again, make sure that nothing is covered by the tape, so make sure that you can see the speaker, the front camera, the sensors and also the LED here on the top. Then you can take off the foil, reinsert the battery and have fun with your new front glass. Okay guys, so this was my quick tutorial on how to replace the front glass of a Samsung Galaxy S3. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask and leave a comment under this video and I will try to reply as soon as possible. And as always guys, thanks for watching and I hope I see you again in my next videos. Bye guys!